Good morning. Today we will see about the GPAT 2019 paper. So the first question mentioned is that in India, the patent office has its head office at Kolkata and branch offices at the first option is Mumbai, Chennai and New Delhi. Second is Dibrugarh, Indore and Vapi. Third is Chandigarh, Hyderabad and Goa. Fourth, Kashmir, Ahmedabad and Tiruvandrum. So the correct answer is Mumbai, Chennai and New Delhi, whereas its head office in Kolkata, and these are the branch offices. The states which are included in the Mumbai, Chennai, in the Mumbai is the Maharashtra is one, then other is first is the Maharashtra, then Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Union Territories of Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. In the Chennai branch, it includes Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Union Territories of Pondicherry, Lakshadweep. In New Delhi branch, it includes Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and the Union Territory of Chandigarh. The Kolkata head office, it includes the rest of the India. And second question is the consumer who are loyal to 2 3 brands are considered to be as split loyals. So in this the shifting loyals means that they are shifting from one brand to the other. Switcher loyals means they are with no loyalty. These consumers switch due to the discounts or for experiencing different products. Third is ELISA is based upon the interaction. So the correct answer is antigen and antibody. So this reason for is this is lectins. Here the first option is lectin and antibody. In this, the lectins are proteins that preferentially recognize and bind to the carbohydrate complexes protruding from protruding, okay, complexes protruding from glycolipids and glycoproteins. The interaction of the lectins with uh, a carbohydrate is very specific, and the lectins bind not only to oligosaccharides on cells but also to the free floating glycans including the monosaccharides, as these are found in the plants. So this is the reason, and in this the correct answer is antigen antibody interaction is there in the ELISA. Then next is the relation between emissive power of the surface and its absorptivity is given by. Here are the four law is there. First law, that is the Fourier's law. The Fourier's law is related to the, it state that the time rate of heat transfer through a material is proportional to the negative gradient in the temperature and to the cross sectional area of the material, that is the area perpendicular to the heat transfer direction. So in this the equation is that Qx equal to minus Kax dt upon dx into dt. Here the Qx is the heat transfer rate, and the subscript x imply that the heat transfer in the x direction. K, it is the thermal conductivity, and Ax is the cross sectional area, and dt by dx is the gradient in the temperature. Second is Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law is only one which state this, that the absorptivity is equal to emissivity emissivity emissivity, okay. And then third is the Dressel law. It states that the flow is proportional to the pressure drop and inversely proportional to the fluid viscosity. So the formula for this, the Q equal to minus Ka in the bracket PH minus Pa bracket close upon UL. So the Q here is the rate of flow, and K is the intrinsic permeability of medium, A is the cross sectional area, Pb minus Pa is the pressure drop, and the U is the dynamic viscosity, L is the length of over which pressure drops, it is in the meter. So the next is the Stefan Boltzmann law. The Stefan Boltzmann law, in this the radiation energy is proportional to the fourth power of absolute temperature. In this the formula is Eb equal to I think this is sigma T4. It means that Eb is the emissive power of a black body, T is the absolute temperature, and here is the sigma is equal to the Stefan Boltzmann constant. The value for this is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 V upon m square upon K4. So this is about the fourth question. The correct answer is the Kirchhoff's law. Next is indirect contact or jet condenser barometric leg serves as one of the following function. So the correct answer for this is the to remove the condensate cooling water mixture is the function of barometric leg. Next is the penalty for the cultivation of any cannabis plant to produce, sell, purchase, contravention of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances act on first conviction is. So the option is rigorous imprisonment up to 10 years or fine up to 1 lakh. Second, fine up to rupees 10 lakh. Third, rigorous imprisonment up to 6 years. Fourth, rigorous imprisonment up to 10 years or fine up to rupees 10 lakh. So in this the first option is correct, as the punishment for the first offense related to poppy, coca, cannabis, prepared opium, the small quantity, then the rigorous imprisonment is up to 6 months or fine is up to 10,000 or both. Quantity lesser than the commercial but greater than small quantity, then the fine, then rigorous imprisonment up to the 10 years or fine up to 1 lakh. So the correct answer is the first. And the commercial quantity, then a rigorous imprisonment up to 10 to 20 years or fine within 1 to 2 lakh or more. However, the subsequent conviction is punishable with rigorous imprisonment of 15 to 30 years and fine rupees 1.5 to 3 lakhs. Seventh question, for protein detection most commonly used probe is. The answer is the, for प्रोटीन डिटेक्शन के लिए कौन सा प्रोब यूज़ किया जाता है? द आंसर इज द एंटीबॉडी. एंड दी ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन का जो प्रोब होता है वो होता है लैक्टिन. नेक्स्ट इज चूज अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द फार्मेसी एक्ट 1948. As per the Pharmacy Act, Pharmacy Council of India is empowered to make education regulation prescribing the minimum standard of education required for qualification as pharmacist. The education regulation includes the nature, period of the study and practical training to be undertaken before admission to an examination, the equipment and facilities to be provided for students undergoing approved courses of study, the subject of examination and standards therein to be attained, any other conditions of admission to examination. So in this, the correct answer is the section 12 of Act deals with the approval of course of study and examination under section 2 thereof. Before this we have studied about the information about this act. Next is the, as per medical termination of pregnancy act and rules, the safe custody of form is with, so obviously the correct answer is the owner of the approved place. In the ninth question, the in this the reason they had mentioned is that as per मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी एक्ट 1970, मीन्स इसका एक्ट जो था कौन से ईयर में था, 1971 में था. प्रेगनेंसी कैन बी टर्मिनेटेड बाय वन रजिस्टर मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर, मीन्स प्रेगनेंसी जो है कौन टर्मिनेट करता है, RMP, अप टू द 12 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, मतलब 12 वीक की प्रेगनेंसी तक वो टर्मिनेट कर सकता है, मीन्स प्रिवेंट कर सकता है. एंड अप टू 20 वीक्स विद द कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ 2 RMPs in certain situation in a place approved for this purpose. So the correct answer is the owner of approved place. Next is the which of the following is considered as different product. Different product in the sense, you can see that here it is written that paracetamol, isoniazid and ranitidine, these all are drugs, but the Zantac is a brand name, so it is one of different from the other. So the correct answer is Zantac is considered as different products. Next is the hard-hinge mill is a variant of, option is ball mill, hammer mill, rotatory cutter mill, fluid energy mill. So the correct answer for this is the ball mill, as the ball mill consists of a shell mounted on shaft on which it revolves. The shape of the shell can be conical, that is the Harding ball mill, cylindrical in the case of Marcy mill or Alice Chalmer mill, or rod in the case of rod ball mill. So the correct answer is the ball mill. Next is the chief product which is obtained by the reaction of neopentenyl bromide under E1 condition. So in this the correct answer is 2-methyl 2-butene, as it forms the with the bromine, when it is treated with the bromine it forms the primary carbocation. Then methyl migrates with its pair of electrons, forms the tertiary carbocation. Further it will form the 2-methyl 2-butene. You can see here further the reason for this all answers is, it is the reason of the first question and second both here. You can take the screenshot if you want. These are the formulas and the law which we have studied. The reason they had mentioned here. Now this is the diagram they have shown about the multi-jet condenser, and the sixth answer that is related to the opium punishment it is. Then next is this probe, which probe is used for the antibody for the protein detection. We are using the probe as antibody, okay. And for glycoprotein, that is the lecithin or lactin something, lecithin. Next is about the एजुकेशन रेगुलेशन वाला था क्वेश्चन, और उसके नेक्स्ट वाला दैट इज़ दी नाइन्थ Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. Remember, this act was passed in the 1971. So you can read it about this. Here it is mentioned that the PCPNDT Act, that is the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act, was passed in 1994. Okay, so remember it also. Okay, we will study further. So this is the reason of the 11th question regarding the Harding ball mill. Okay, the correct answer is for this is the ball mill we had written. So this is the question of the neopentenyl bromide. Okay, it undergoes the E1 condition. This reaction undergoes in the E1 condition. So the answer is you can say. So it is of the 13 and 14. We will study in the 13th question. RNA molecules having catalytic intrinsic activity are called as. So इंट्रेंसिक एक्टिविटी मीन्स आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स के अंदर जो कैटालिटिक इंट्रेंसिक एक्टिविटी होती है तो उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे. So the answer for this is the ribosomes, as ribosome are here written it is ribosomes, ribonucleic acid enzymes भी कहते हैं उन्हें, are RNA molecules that catalyze specific biomolecule reaction such as cleavage or ligation of RNA, DNA and peptide bond formation. snRNA are small nuclear RNA molecules which are having about 150 nucleotides, and these are found within the cell nucleus in eukaryotic cells. Their role is to process pre-messenger RNA in the nucleus. Next is mRNA. mRNA is the messenger RNA. It codes for the proteins. rRNA, that is the RNA associated with ribosomal proteins that take part in the protein synthesis. miRNA, that is the microRNA. It is specific short RNA that can base pair with mRNA. Okay, so we know that the reason is, so here the option is that snRNA, that is the small nuclear होता है, m messenger हो गया, ये ribosomal हो गया, तो इसमें करेक्ट आंसर इज ribozymes. Okay, the RNA molecules which are having the catalytic intrinsic activity are called as ribozymes. Next is the Gabriel ring closure is a method employed for the synthesis of, in this the option is 1 for oxazine, second is aziridine, third is oxirane, and the fourth is oxaridine. So we will study here. Okay, the Gabriel ring closure, इसमें क्या होता है, बीटा हेलो अल्काइल अमाइन ऑन हीटिंग विथ KOH. ओके, जब हम उसको हीट करते हैं KOH के साथ, देन इट अंडरगोज दी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स. ओके, एंड हेलोजन एटम इज डिस्प्लेस्ड intramolecularly by SN2 process, and the cyclization to aziridine ring is stereospecific. ओके, यहाँ पे मेंशन भी किए इन्होंने रिएक्शन, जो भी प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है साइक्लाइजेशन से, दैट इज एजिरिडीन, और वो क्या होता है, स्टीरियो स्पेसिफिक होता है. और इसमें क्या होता है, हेलोजन को रिप्लेस किया जाता है बाय इंट्रामोलिकुलर बाय SN2 प्रोसेस. सो रिमेंबर दिस. और इसमें हम KOH यूज़ करते हैं. यहाँ पे कुछ स्ट्रक्चर मेंशन किए हैं इन्होंने. एजिरिडीन, दैट इज द 3 member cyclic ring with NH. Oxirane, that is 3 member with cyclic ring with oxygen. 1,2 oxaridine मीन्स इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है पहले और दूसरे का, दैट इज एजिरिडीन एंड ऑक्सीरेन का कॉम्बिनेशन यूज़ करके इन्होंने बनाया 1,2 oxaziridine. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज थिलीरेन. थिलीरेन इज़ थ्री मेंबर विद द सल्फर ग्रुप थिली थायो, जैसे टी एच जो होता है वो एस के लिए होता है, थिलीरेन हम एस के लिए होंगे। फिर 1 2 एजीरिडिन है तो समझ जाना, क्योंकि पहले वाले स्ट्रक्चर में हमने एजीरिडिन यूज़ किया है तो वहाँ पे क्या है NH था। अगर 1 2 था एजीरिडिन हम लोग में लिखा है क्वेश्चन में, तो इट मीन्स दैट देयर माइट बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ NH ग्रुप एंड इट इज़ द थ्री मेंबर, एंड थाया मीन्स it is involved there is a presence of the sulfur group, we can say. Next is azitidine is a four member ring with NH. Next is the oxytane is the four member ring with oxygen. Thiatane is S with the four member ring. So remember here, the thiatine means thia means S for the S, oxa means for O, azitidine means NH, and next is 1 2 thiazidine, that is the NH and S is involved. So you can study this from here, the structure. We will move ahead for this question. Calculate the accurate osmotic pressure at 0 degree Celsius of a blood serum sample using the Lewis equation having the freezing point about minus 0.53 degree Celsius. So in this, as per the Lewis equation, the pi equal to we can say 12 then delta tf, therefore we can say pi equal to 12 into the mentioned value is 0.53 equal to 6.36 atom. So more accurate we can find by the other method, that is the pi equal to 12.06 triangle TF minus 0.21 triangle 2 F equal to, और इसमें एक और एक मेथड दिया है इन्होंने, दैट इज़ दी पाई इक्वल टू MRT मीन्स आइसोऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर इक्वल टू दी molecular weight, or I think they had mentioned M is T is the Kelvin scale, that is the 0 degree Celsius equal to 273.15 K, and R is the gas constant, that is R equal to 0.08206 L atom per mole K, and delta TF, that is a triangle TF, the freezing point depression, it is defined as delta, or we can say triangle TF equal to TF solvent minus TF solution. So the triangle, or we can say that is a triangle TF of blood is 0.53 with respect to that of the water, and the delta TF is equal to the MKF. Here the M is the molality. So in this, then Kf is the cryoscopic or molar freezing point depression constant for solvent. Kf of the water equal to 1.86 kg per mole, and M equal to 0.53 upon 1.86, आंसर विल बी 0.285. देन द फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज़ दी M जो होता है वो मोलर यूज़ किया जाता है यहाँ पे, देन दिस पाई, और वी कैन से आइसोऑस्मेटिक प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू MRT है ना, तो M इज़ 0.285 मोल पर kg इंटू R तो हमारा गैस कांस्टेंट था, दैट इज 0.08206 L एटम पर मोल के। नेक्स्ट इज टेम्परेचर हमने देखा था जो कि केल्विन में 273.15 K था। सो द आंसर विल बी 6.39 एटम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द following inactivate factor is activate, which of the inactive coating factor is activated by vitamin K coenzyme. So here the correct answer is second, 8 9 and sorry second, 7 9 and 10. Okay, these are also said to be as coagulants. Okay, and protein C and S, which are said to be as anticoagulant. These are synthesized in the liver. This synthesis is dependent on the vitamin K. These factors contain the several glutamic acid residues. So here we have seen, we will study the description later on. Next is the conversion of a carbonyl functionality directly to its hydrocarbon in the basic condition is achieved by which of the following. First is the Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction में क्या होता है, एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन का जो है रिडक्शन हो जाता है किसमें, एल्केन में, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द जेड और मर्क्यूरी या फिर HCl के साथ हीट होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक कंडीशन होती है. Okay, next is the वॉल्फ किश्नर रिडक्शन. इसमें क्या होता है, रिडक्शन होता है एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन्स का टू कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एल्केन्स, दैट इज द हाइड्रोकार्बन्स विद हाइड्रोजन एंड ट्रीटमेंट विद द स्ट्रॉन्गली बेस. पहले वाले में क्या था, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक कंडीशन थी क्लेमेंसन में, और जो ये वॉल्फ किश्नर है उसमें हम लोग बेसिक कंडीशन होनी चाहिए स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, next is the lithium aluminum hydride something, LiAlH4. Okay, in this it reduces the ester, carboxylic acid, acyl chlorides and aldehyde ketones into alcohols, reduce the amide, nitro, nitrile, imine, oxime and azide into amines. It reduces the quaternary ammonium cations into corresponding tertiary amines. Then in this it is also not the correct answer. The correct answer हमने क्या पूछा था यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में, दैट इसमें क्या है, LiAH4 जो है it is more powerful than that of the NaBH4, which is owing to the weaker aluminum hydrogen bond compared to the BH bond. LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride is unstable and can be replaced with the more convenient sodium aluminum. So NaBH4, that it reduces aldehyde ketones. aldehyde और कीटोन को reduce करता है ये alcohol में. Then it cannot reduce the carboxylic acid and amides. Remember this. सो इन दिस करेक्ट आंसर. हमें क्या पूछा था क्वेश्चन में, कन्वर्जन ऑफ द कार्बोनिल फंक्शनैलिटी. कार्बोनिल फंक्शनैलिटी मीन्स एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन it directly into the hydrocarbons means alkane in the condition of the basic condition. basic condition सिर्फ वॉल्फ किश्नर रिडक्शन में, क्लेमेंसन में एसिडिक होती है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज द वॉल्फ किश्नर रिडक्शन. नेक्स्ट इज चूज द करेक्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन. ओके, रिएक्शन है HNO3 प्लस 2H2SO4. आगे का प्रोडक्ट हमें खुद फाइंड करना है. सो द रिएक्शन इज बैलेंस्ड विद द रिस्पेक्ट टू charge on both the side of reaction. So the correct answer is HNO3 plus 2H2O4. The product is H3O plus 2H2SO4 plus NO2. Answer is first. Next is the kinetically x upon x in the bracket x a minus x in the bracket close equal to KT is the expression used for. So this is the expression used for the second order reaction. For the second order reaction, the KT, or we can say rate, is equal to log x upon a in the bracket a minus x. Okay, you had to study about the rate, half life of the first order, zero order and the third order, as it is asked in this question. Okay, then next is the one of the following is most commonly used as protecting group for amines. So in this the correct answer is T, butyl carbonyl. So the groups are methoxymethylene, tetrahydropyrenyl oxy are protecting group for the alcohol function. P-methoxybenzyl group is used for the alcohol and amine protection. So this is the reason why मतलब जो ऑप्शंस है उसमें जो उनका बताया गया है वो किस किस को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं। जैसे थर्ड और फोर्थ ऑप्शन जो था वो किसके लिए था, थर्ड ऑप्शन जो था वो था third and the fourth third and the third option is for the alcohol, then आई थिंक यहाँ पे मिथॉक्सी होना चाहिए था या पैरामिथॉक्सी होगा, मिथाइल लिखा है ऑप्शन में, शायद रॉन्ग है शायद, या फिर यहाँ पे रॉन्ग किया है मेंशन। तो पीएमबी ग्रुप जो होता है वो अल्कोहल और अमाइन प्रोटेक्शन दोनों के लिए होता है, और मिथॉक्सीमिथाइलिन दैट इज द सेकंड ऑप्शन, इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द अल्कोहल प्रोटेक्शन। सो next is the reaction of an alpha haloester with an aldehyde or ketone in the presence of base like NaNH2 gives the alpha beta epoxy carboxylic acid. This reaction is referred to as, ये reaction referred to as means it is the Darjan glycidic synthesis. In this it is also said to be as the condensation or this is Darjan reaction or condensation or glycidic ester condensation. In this there is a reduction means react, it is a reaction of the ketone or aldehydes मीन्स रिएक्शन होती है एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन का रिएक्ट किया जाता है। ये एल्डिहाइड या फिर कीटोन इन दोनों में से एक रिएक्ट करता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द बेस टू फॉर्म ए अल्फ़ा बीटा इपॉक्सी ईस्टर मीन्स हेलो ईस्टर इसमें यूज़ किया जाता है, उससे हम लोग अल्फ़ा बीटा इपॉक्सी ईस्टर फॉर्म करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इन दिस मेंशन इज द बैम्फोर्ड 7 रिएक्शन। इन दिस इसमें क्या होता है, कन्वर्जन होता है टॉसाइल हाइड्रोजन्स विद द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस टू अल्कीन्स। अल्कीन्स मीन्स अल्कीन्स लिखा है ENE मीन्स डबल बॉन्ड विल बी प्रेजेंट। नेक्स्ट इज द विलगर डॉट विलग्रॉट, okay we can say विलग्रॉट rearrangement. In this अराइल अल्काइल कीटोन्स जो है कन्वर्टेड किए जाते हैं अमाइड्स में बाय द रिएक्शन विद द अमोनियम पॉलीसल्फाइड। अमोनियम पॉलीसल्फाइड मीन्स NH4 इन द ब्रैकेट का ट्वाइस S दैट इज द सल्फर X। नेक्स्ट इज द बायर विलीगर रीअरेंजमेंट। इसमें क्या होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन होता है कीटोन का ईस्टर में बाय द पर ऑक्साइड्स और द पर एसिड्स, रिमेंबर दिस। Then next question is select the correct order of the orthopara directing ability of the functional groups from the given below. So the option in this the correct order is NHR, NHCOR, C6H5, this iodine. सो इन दिस द करेक्ट आंसर इज, इसमें हमें क्या देखना है, करेक्ट ऑर्डर देखना है जो कि स्ट्रॉन्ग फर्स्ट होना चाहिए और वीक लास्ट। स्ट्रॉन्गर जो है NHR है और जो आयोडीन है वो वीक है। नेक्स्ट इज द आई थिंक शायद से नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है, बट वी सेम द सेमी सिंथेटिक डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पेनिसिलिन इज सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय acylation of 6-APA with p-hydroxy phenyl glycine. In the book the answer is mentioned is the amoxicillin, but yeah, so the answer is the amoxicillin is the answer, not ampicillin. In the book I think they had mentioned the amoxicillin. In the book they had written the option number third, but they in the reason they had mentioned about the amoxicillin. So the correct answer is amoxicillin, remember it. Amoxicillin is a semi-synthetic derivative of the penicillin, is synthesized by acylation of 6-APA with p-hydroxyphenyl glycine. Next is identify the name of the drug with the given structure. So in this ये क्वेश्चन शायद इसमें स्ट्रक्चर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, सो लीव इट। नेक्स्ट इज द आई थिंक 25th क्वेश्चन आधा ही है इसमें, हाफ इज मेंशन. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. द स्ट्रक्चरल फीचर्स प्रेजेंट इन द एंटी कैंसर एंटीबायोटिक्स doxorubicin, daunorubicin, idarubicin and epirubicin are. So in this, the anthracene antibiotics, rubicin, acting as anti-cancer, have anthracene nucleus as anthraquinone fused to cyclohexane ring that is subsequently connected with the amino sugar that is donosamine via glycosidic linkage. तो इसका जो मैंने बताया रीज़न वही इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. So you can see the reasons are here for the 13. Yeah, we had studied about ना this page. Next is वो जो क्वेश्चन हमने देखा था ना आइसोस्मेटिक प्रेशर वाला, उसका ये था आंसर. Next is about the inactive coagulant factor, that is the 2, 7, 9, 10. ये था क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन में हम स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक यूज़ करते हैं. वॉल्फ कीचनर रिडक्शन में स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिक. तो हमेशा याद रखना इसमें. बाकी सब कुछ तो इनमें सेम ही है, बस जो बीच में रिएजेंट्स यूज़ किए वो थोड़े अलग हैं बिकॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक है और बेसिक कंडीशन है, इसलिए LiAlH4 के बारे में बताया. और ये है NaBH4. You can study about this table or you can write it down in as the reaction. Here the order and the half life of the different order of the kinetics are mentioned, like zero order kinetic, first order kinetic and the second order kinetic and the third order kinetic. So you can study from this and learn it. Next is about the protecting group. So this is the protecting group of the amine. और जो ऑप्शन में थे उनके रीजंस भी बताएं. अल्कोहल में कौन सा होता है और अल्कोहल एंड अमाइन प्रोटेक्शन में. ये दीज आर दी अदर ग्रुप्स विच आर मेंशन. इनके लिए कौन से प्रोटेक्टेड ग्रुप्स हैं वो सब बताया गया है. यहाँ पे है ये ग्लाइकोसिडिक ईस्टर कंडेंसेशन. तो ये रिएक्शन देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे कीटोन और एल्डिहाइड जो है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अल्फा हेलोएस्टर ये फॉर्म करता है, या बेस के प्रेजेंस में इट फॉर्म्स ये अल्फा बीटा इपॉक्सी एस्टर. सो रिमेंबर, इसलिए हम उसे ग्लाइसिडिक ईस्टर बोलते हैं. ईस्टर फॉर्म होता है इसलिए ग्लाइसिडिक ईस्टर बताया जाता है इसे. ये है. नेक्स्ट इज द कन्वर्जन ऑफ this is about the 6-APA, that is the 6 amino penicillinic acid. सो ये रिएक्शंस है और उनके स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं. जो आंसर जो था वो क्या था, एमोक्सिसिलिन था. नेक्स्ट इज जो स्ट्रक्चर हमें दिया था, माइट भी वो क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग था या पता नहीं. यू कैन स्टडी दिस. ओके, I think that question might be wrong or what. ये शायद से ना रॉन्ग पेज आ गया है इसमें. So don't study this pain. Don't study this propanol. We didn't have study about in the further. I think ये उसी का है शायद. ये नहीं है. You can study this only. 25th question you can study from here.